Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys these bundles that I have installed into a wig. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that today's sponsor is Jarama. So thank you so much. They are an Amazon seller, and yeah, they decided to go ahead and sponsor this video with these bundles, and these are super duper affordable and just super duper fabulous, like high quality, like you guys see. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys get right into the video, so yeah, just stay tuned. Okay divas, jumping right in. Today we are in a new space because it is a new year, so happy new year. By the way, this is the first video of 2021. So today we have some bundles by Jarama or Jarama, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is how it comes. So I like this little bag that it comes in because I am going to construct these bundles into a unit, and it'll give me a bag to put the unit in. So I went ahead and I just took out the bundles. So they did send me over 4. I just kind of want to unbag everything, and then they did send over just their card. So there's their name, Jarama, and I like their little card. It looks really cute. And it has all their social media and everything on it. And then they also did send these 2 hair ties, which I think is really cute. Okay, so as far as the bundles they sent me a 20, a 22, a 24, and a 26, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the shortest length and the longest length. I feel like the 22 and the 24 will pretty much be just like the 26. So if that makes any sense as far as like the density, so how thick the hair will be. Okay, so here is the 20 inch. The 20 inch seems to be pretty thick. I know with longer lengths, like I'm trying to get this net off of my hand, but the longer lengths tend to be usually typically a little bit thinner, but this 20 inch does seem pretty thick. The wefts look really nice as well. So yeah, this is how it looks. The hair is very soft, and it has this beautiful body wave pattern. Now when I wash the hair, usually when I wash hair, like it just it doesn't have this type of pattern, but it does still have like a very subtle wave. So this is what it looks like before. The hair feels very soft. It looks to be of nice quality. It does not have any bad odors or any other type of smells either, which I really do appreciate. But this is the 20 inch, and I wanted you guys to see how thick it is. So I would say that this is a good density for a 20 inch bundle. It actually seems a little bit longer. Like if I was to sew this on, like it seems longer. I don't know if it's just me, but it'll probably be up here because I'm gonna like layer the hair in long layers, so it'll fall like a regular 20 inch. But if you put it at the bottom, it'll be like a lot longer on me anyways. So as you guys can see, they didn't send me like a closure or a frontal or anything. I actually have a frontal that I never got a chance to use, but I do kind of want a closure, so I'm gonna probably cut it into like a 7x7. Okay divas, so I did go ahead and construct my unit. The 2 lace tint sprays I used are by Even. I did mix them. I went in with the dark brown one, and then I went in with the darkest brown on top, just so that I can get that perfect match to my skin tone, and I feel like it's pretty close. So yeah, this is how the unit looks on, and the hair quality is just so nice. Like I love how soft it is, and just how it has like very minimal shedding and tangling, like because you know this hair is long, so obviously it's gonna be like high maintenance and stuff, so you want it to be just not perfect, but you know, you don't want to have any problems. So yeah, and then I'll go ahead and try to stand up and show you guys if the hair will fit in the frame. I'll try to show you guys like how long it is on me. And I am 5'2", and I have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for a reference. Okay, so this is where the hair is hitting me. So it's going all the way down to my butt. It's like definitely like long. And then here it is in the front. So yeah, that's pretty long. Okay, so the flat irons I'm going to be using today is these Remington ones. I will link them in the description box below. I'm also going to be using my hot comb to like lay down my parting area and everything. So I'm not sure which, this is by Hot Tools or Golden Hot. So So I'll try to find the link to this on Amazon and link in the description box below. Okay, divas, so I'm gonna just jump right in. I am using the ORS, the lace gel, or it's not lace gel, it's like, it's basically like got to be, but the ORS one. And I'm sorry I forgot to show it, but that's the one that I'm using. And then I'm gonna blow dry that layer, and then I'm also going to use the ORS hairspray to go ahead and adhere my wig as well. And then I'm going to spray that and then just simply apply the wig. So once I have it all laid like I want it, I am just going to go in with a piece of elastic band. I would recommend to use a thicker piece, but I was just too lazy to get up and get one. So after it's all set and everything, I did go ahead and put it back on just so that my wig doesn't slide or anything while I'm flat ironing it. So now I'm just applying heat protectant spray and then going in and flat iron the hair. I am chasing it with a brush. I feel like it comes out a lot more straight when you do that, when you do the chase method, especially for longer hair. I feel like if you just pass the flat iron through it, you're definitely going to have to keep passing the flat iron through like the same piece like 4 times. And I feel like that just like really puts too much heat on the hair. So I would prefer to just chase it and just run it through 1 or 2 times. And then that way, you know, that really preserves the hair and it doesn't cause like any heat damage to the hair as well. Because you have to make sure, you know, that you take care of this hair too, even though it is, you know, bundles. But yeah, I'm just pretty much straightening my hair. Open up, F-U-O-P-E-N. So now that I'm all done, you can see this side is like straight and nice, and then the other side has like a slight wave to it, and that's just after I've washed it and it air dried. So yeah, you guys can definitely see the difference. So now I'm gonna go in and apply this wax stick so that I can lay down my frontal slash closure that I cut up and just have it just lay really flat. So I'm just going in with this stick, and then I'm also going to go in with my hot comb and just lay it down flat. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, shutting down like a Macintosh. Open up, O-P-E-N, O-P-E-N. Cold as ice in a Coca-Cola. Open up, you O-P-E-N. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O-P-E-N, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot and get ya. The door's O-P-E-N. Take the hot road and hop in. Lastly, I'm just going to apply concealer and we will be all done. Like, this hair is bomb, you guys. Like, look at the quality, okay? This is quality bundles and it's super duper affordable. Like, let me see how much it is. And this is a Amazon seller, so, and I believe this hair is prime, so you would get it quick too. Yeah, so for the 4 bundles of the same hair that I have, which is 20, 22, 24, and 26, it is $99, girl, for 4 bundles of long lengths. Okay, so definitely go ahead and pick this hair up because you guys see the quality, and I feel like that's super cheap for this high quality. And I was not expecting it to be that great because I was like, okay, it doesn't cost that much, so it's probably not gonna be that great. But honestly, girl, like, this hair is nice. If you guys want me to come back and do like a follow-up review, I definitely will do that for you guys. But so far, this hair is nice because I have like run my fingers through it. I've constructed a wig and I washed it. So, and then now I let it air dry, and then I also flat ironed it, and the hair is like holding up really nicely. And like I said, I love like the density on this hair. I know people typically get like 3 bundles, but to me, honestly, like if you want like that full, like this full hairstyle, I feel like you need 4 bundles. And I mean, it's really affordable with this company. So definitely check them out. Of course, I'll have links in the description box below. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do not want to blabber on too much. I really do like this hair. I feel like she is just, this hair is just gorgeous. Like, I love it. And also for my frontal that I cut up, it is a 13x6 frontal, and I cut it into about a 7x7 frontal, because it's like, yeah, it's like, so I did cut it, but it was just like a random one, so you could just get a random frontal. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.